How to use Walmart's personal shopper service. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use Walmart's personal shopper service. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for walmart.com. Make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, to use the personal shopper service, go to your checkout page. To go to your checkout page, you need to make sure to add a few items to your cart. So, if you don't have items to your cart, then go ahead and add a few items on your cart. Once added, scroll down and you will see the option for Chat with Shopper. Tap on that and further type in your query, doubts, and the shopper will clear them for you. So, this is how you can use Walmart's personal shopper service. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.